Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girlfriend here. I'm about to do my hair, so let me show you guys what I do. So this is what I'm going to be using. It's the Freetress Shake and Go or Shake and Go Freetress braid, and this is in the wand curl braid. So open the package. This is what it looks like. It just looks like little wand curls. It's so cute. So cute and fluffy, and I love it because it literally looks like it's your hair. I have two pieces of hair. I'm just gonna cross one over the other, like that. And we get like a little loop like that. And then I'm gonna put this piece together, separate this one, and then I'm going to braid. This is how I hold it. Bam. I'm not gonna braid it all the way down, probably leave that much. And then this is how I loop it. I just take a small little piece and I make a little knot just like that. We got our first braid. We got our first braid, guys. So let's move on to the second one. When you're doing your hair, it's gonna look great. Okay, so I'm gonna do a bit more braids and I'll come back when I get to the front. Hey guys, this is just a little bit of a progress check. This is where we're at so far, guys. You can see the braids. Oops. The best gel that I've discovered so far for this braiding is the edge fixture, and this is the teal color one, and it smells really good. Just gonna take some of this. That is